My name is Eshraghi. I'm the city traffic engineer with the city of Norwalk, state of Connecticut. I've been with the city of Norwalk for the last 20 years. Given my role as a city traffic engineer, I'm always interested in learning to be able to improve the safety and mobility. There's always an interesting thing happen when you come to the ITS America. There's always new products, excitement when you come to the ITS America. One of my goals was to find a better detection system to be able to count the vehicles, bicycles, at the same time with the pedestrian. And actually it was successful. So I've been talking to a couple of different vendors in here, and I'm sure I can use one of those solutions for what I was looking for. But the most important part about this meeting is just seeing the people, the new technology, that you feel comfortable that you learn something about this. ITS America every year, it just brings some new to our industry, which is definitely a big help for everyone.